What's up, guys? Today, this is a quick video. I came to Oselyn Automotive Maintenance Center to do servicing on this baby right there, and look at what I found. Sheesh, this is beautiful. Let me see if I can find the owner so we have a quick discussion about this build, because this is so nice. And I think that's the owner right there. Big man.
My name is Osei Boakyi. I'm the owner of Oselyn Ventures. Under Oselyn Ventures, we do car maintenance and a lot of things about car. We bring in tires and other things. We also rent cars. That's what we do more. Very good cars. We have Mercedes, we have Prados, we have V8s, any other cars that you want, pickups. And then we have this iconic Defender Land Rover. This is the British iconic Land Rover. It's 1968 model. And what inspired me was I saw somebody building the same in US, and I decided to try the project. So when I came back to Africa, I then decided that, look, I'll try this project. This project took me 3 years. It has taken me 3 years to get it done like that. So I brought in this car empty, like there was no engine, empty. It was actually for the police service, Ghana Police Service. I think Nkrumah brought it for police service. So when they brought it, it was skeleton. So I decided to revamp it, and look at it today. It's amazing. I brought a lot of things, everything mostly new from UK, and it has taken us 3 years. Some of them items were fixed by, I resourced it to welder, which is outside somewhere, Opongro. He did that. It's called Pani. He's a very good welder. He does it professionally, and he's a good man too. But this car.
Okay, you give us a walk around of the car. Show us.
Okay, see, you can see inside. We change the dashboard. We bring in new steer. There's air conditioning because this is the last model. The dashboard is the last model of the Defender. That's 2016. That was when they stopped the, how do you call it? They stopped manufacturing Defender. So that was the last model. So everything around this car is 2016, even though the car was 68. And you can see we have a body kit. That alone is about 4,000 pounds if you are bringing it to Ghana. That's the body kit. And then we have, wheel panels. It was made in Ebri. There's a guy in Ebri who, I saw the idea on Instagram, somebody was doing it. So I contacted a carpenter in Ebri at Mountains who did it for me. But all the chairs were brought it from UK. And the ceiling itself was brought from UK. And you can see how perfect the car is. We have installed camera, 360 camera that is very, very good. And so this car has you can see it's a short. This is called 90. The name of the car is 90. We have in Land Rover Defender, we have about 3 types. We have 130, 110, then we have the 90. The 90 is the most short and it's mostly cute and also limited edition because they didn't. It's not a lot in the system, so it's even difficult to get the same as it is. But it has double tank for off-road and long journey tank. You can see one tank is here, another tank is here, and it takes about 30 or more liters each tank. So this is the engine. Is 300D turbo diesel charger. It's direct charger, so it's quite a bigger engine. It's the same size as Prado, and it's performed very, very well. You can see how the headlight is amazing. That's got lovely tailgate lights, and this tailgate light indicator. It's lovely. And this chaka plates. That's where you can sit, and sometimes you can have your beer. It depends where you are.
Oh yes, very necessary.
Very necessary, yeah. The car was abandoned in Takwa in the bush, somebody's farm. Yeah. So it was through somebody who find out that he's got this car at Takwa. So we towed the car from Takwa to Accra, and it has taken us 3 years, as I said earlier. But it's I mean the price is priceless now, if you can see. Yeah, I in that condition was empty, so the guy sold it for me. I think it's 60,000. Yeah, 60. He sold it for me 60,000 Ghana cedis, and I transported it to Accra, but it has taken 3 years to get it done. But most of the work we did it here. When sometimes the people who work on this car, they don't understand the project, so it's always difficult because they think it's any ordinary car. They think it's an old car, so everything, when you ask them to do it like this before you go, they've done it like that. Then they think you don't mind. They think oh, it's okay. And I sprayed the car almost 3 times because I didn't like the finishing. Anytime I leave it for somebody, he either gets the thing wrong because he don't know the idea. Even when I've shown him the pictures and what I want, he still. So most of the times I have to be there and do this, do that, and that's how it has gotten to where we are now.
So in case someone has a similar machine like this, can you assist them?
Definitely. I can also bring in. Now I have more experience. This is the first in its kind in Ghana. I have more experience to bring a lot of things from UK.
Okay. So any advice for somebody who wants to do a similar build like this?
Yes. What I would say to him is it's difficult getting the right people who will fix the car, will bring the car together in pieces. But as soon as you get all your parts from UK, you'll be able to, we can help you, Oselyn Ventures can help you to get it in tight.
So any shout outs to people who help you?
Yes, there's a guy called Pani. Pani is a fantastic guy. He works in Opongro, the Land Rover shop, and he's the most, he is the orchestrator of this car. He tells me this how it is, and that is how it is, and I also add my own idea how what I've seen in America and also on the internet.
Would you be selling it?
Yes, yeah, we want to try another project, so we can't keep double cars. We can't keep more cars. So if you had good offer, why not? So we're looking for a buyer.
So if you want this car, contact me, and then I'll lead you to the big man himself. Thank you so much for showing us your incredible build.
Thank you. You're always welcome, and bye-bye.